Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on a Friday, December the 1st, 2023. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them, 4 of them, I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me to solve all those puzzles. Yeah, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First one, the 3-star Sudoku number 7543. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 31 printed digits. 31. George, 31. Should be 25. So 6 extra digits. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. But with 31, should be a 0 stars. For a 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13, maybe 12 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see our 1 in the third column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, the 1. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here or there. You see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 in the second row, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here or there. We see a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 in the second column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. And then 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1, 1, okay. Need a 3, need a 6, yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, 1 was the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. That means one box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. I think I made a mistake here. Double 3. Well, this cannot be a 3. Should be a 5. Wait. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 4, 5. Here can be 1, 1, 4. Yeah, this should be a 5 then. 1, 4. So the 1 and 4 goes there. Yes. Made a mistake here. Alright. Then 3, 3, 3. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. So the 7 and the 9 are left here. Okay. Need a 1 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last row. Need a 1 in the last row. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 in the last row should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 to 4, 3 to 4. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 3 and the 4, 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. 3 and the 4, 7 and the 9. No 4 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Alright, and now 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 6 and 8, 6 and 8. You have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. We have 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Here we have a pair, 7 and 9. Okay, that means that this box cannot be a 9 anymore. Yeah, because we have a 9 and a 7 here. So this box should be a 3, that box should be a 9. 7 and 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 7 or 9, we have a 9 now. So this box should be a 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 in this row. So we column 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final two numbers, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 10 minutes. Wow. Hmm. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. Of course, it has 31 printed digits. Well, publisher, you make us very easy to solve. Yeah. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.